This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. Here I'm again with another iPhone. I have a couple of iPhone you see here. We're gonna do unboxing of iPhone 17 Pro Max. Also the older version of iPhone 16 Pro Max in black version and iPhone 16 Pro Max in desert gold version in this case. So we'll see which phone. If you want to check those videos, those will be another video, you can follow this. So I moved those phone from here. So we'll pay more attention here in iPhone 16 Pro Max black version. Lovely looking box from last year. You can see here iPhone written. Beautiful logos down, almost a new box, a brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I put the phone here. Lovely, you see how beautiful the box. Apple didn't change a lot, only in 17 Pro Max they put the back side. In 16 Pro Max you have the front side of the camera. Every year they changes from one to another. Okay, whatever. Now without any further ado, I'm gonna take this box off from here. Wow, look at this guys, iPhone 16 Pro Max. How beautiful. This is 1 year old phone, but it still is beautiful. Yeah, I have iPhone 17 Pro Max close to see that. This looks a bit different, but this is still a beautiful design. Okay, lovely, beautiful backside. I take this off, it's back as the first time. You see beautiful brand new. What we have in the box, we have a cable, data cable for charging, and we have some sticker from Apple. See here, no more Apple stickers, some manual, my mistake in this case, nothing else, nothing fancy. Let's go to the phone here. Beautiful phone, 6.9-inch display this phone has. The back side of the phone we can see we have 3 cameras. There are 48 megapixel camera, maximum resolution. You have a flash, you have a sensor, Apple logo. How beautiful matte finishing, the black iPhone, beautiful. iPhone 17 Pro Max, you don't have more black version. That is a pretty, maybe they will come next year. So this side of the phone you see as a dark. We do have 2 volume button, volume rocker, then mute button. We don't have mute switch more. We have antenna line. At the top nothing, you can see here only 1 antenna line. This side of the phone you have a physical power button, 1 antenna line. Here the camera switch, lovely. There, here another antenna line. At the bottom USB-C charging port. Finally Apple came with this one. 2 screw, 2 speaker grills, 2 sides for stereo speaker. Weight of the phone very lovely. You feel comfortable at your hand with iPhone 16 Pro Max, lovely. So without any further ado, I'm gonna take this paper off from here. Wow, put one side, beautiful looking phone. Wow, look at this guys, beautiful. The design of iPhone 16 Pro Max, if I'm not wrong, it would be one of the best design of iPhone ever, iPhone 16 Pro Max for me. If you agree and disagree with that, you can leave a comment on the comment section. Okay, without any further ado, I hit the power button. Wow, you can see Apple logo, the phone is starting. Beautiful. It will take a little bit time, meanwhile I'm showing you phone from different way, different angle. How beautiful, matte finishing. Normally if you touch, you don't leave so much fingerprints. So you have to set up this phone with your Apple account. So in my next video, I'm gonna do a setup of this phone if you want to check. So this is unboxing of iPhone 16 Pro Max in black version. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.